Times on projects around your home, you'll find that you need to enlarge an existing hole. That can be quite a challenge.
Here on this door, Danny, we're enlarging the lock set to install a newer one. For a job like that, you need to use a hole saw. But the way hole saws work is the pilot bit drills into the wood and guides the saw. But in a case like this, as you can see, there's nothing to guide the bit, and the hole saw will just wobble around.
Now, I've seen a few people try this, and they'll end up going to the home center and buying a new door.
Well, we can save the expense of a new door by showing you this trick with a piece of plywood. Simply mark the center line on the plywood and mark corresponding center lines on the hole itself. Then you line up the two center lines and clamp it with a piece of scrap underneath just to protect the door.
Now, of course, you can use a few small nails to accomplish the same clamping effect, but clamps will work a lot better. There you go.
Thank you. Then all you do is take the pilot bit and put it right on the center lines and drill as deeply as you can through the door.
After drilling down as far as the hole saw will allow you to drill, you turn the door over and continue the process.
Then you simply pull the wooden plug off the hole saw, and here's the little bit of a door we trimmed off. Then put the pilot bit back in the hole and finish drilling all the way through.
After that, you take the clamps off and you're ready for your new lock set. Now, this can also be used in a countertop situation where you're going from one size faucet up to a larger size.